Are you tired of digging through Klaviyo's settings just to add a teammate? Watch this and you'll learn to add a new user in under 1 minute. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Open Settings, navigate to Users, and add your new user with the right role. Alright, start by clicking on your profile in the lower left corner to pull up your account menu. From that menu, go ahead and click on Settings to open up your configuration. Once you're in Settings, click on the Users tab from the list. Then hit the Add New User button, and the setup form will appear. Now type in the email address for the new user in the email field. Next, click on the User Role dropdown to expand your choices. Go ahead and select a role from the drop-down list. Finally, click Add User to finish, and that's it. New user added. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.